BandLab versus GarageBand. Which music app wins? Choosing the right music app can transform how you create and share your sound without technical headaches. BandLab offers cloud collaboration, while GarageBand shines with intuitive Apple integration. BandLab and GarageBand are two popular music creation apps with distinct approaches. BandLab focuses on cloud-based collaboration and cross-platform access, while GarageBand provides a powerful, user-friendly experience optimized for Apple devices. The core difference lies in accessibility versus native integration. BandLab is a cloud-based music creation platform that works on web browsers and mobile devices, allowing musicians to compose, edit, and collaborate anywhere. It features multi-track recording, a wide range of virtual instruments, and built-in effects. Its cloud storage enables seamless collaboration with other artists in real time, making it ideal for remote teams and creators on the go. BandLab also integrates social features, allowing users to share projects and get feedback instantly. However, because it runs in browsers or lightweight apps, it may lack some advanced editing depth found in desktop software. The platform suits musicians who prioritize flexibility, collaboration, and accessibility across devices without needing powerful hardware. GarageBand is Apple's native music creation app designed for macOS and iOS, offering a rich, intuitive interface packed with high-quality virtual instruments, loops, and effects. It supports multi-track recording with low latency, making it a favorite for beginners and intermediate producers who want a smooth workflow within the Apple ecosystem. GarageBand excels at leveraging Apple hardware features like the Touch Bar and optimized audio processing. However, it is limited to Apple devices and doesn't offer cloud collaboration like BandLab. This makes it less suitable for cross-platform use or remote teamwork. GarageBand is perfect for users invested in Apple products who want powerful, easy-to-use tools for recording, mixing, and producing music without additional software. BandLab and GarageBand serve different user needs. BandLab's cloud-based platform is ideal for musicians who want to collaborate remotely and access projects from any device, including Windows and Android. Its social and sharing features foster community interaction. GarageBand delivers a polished, hardware-optimized experience for Apple users with superior audio quality and offline capabilities. However, GarageBand's Apple-only restriction limits accessibility. If you need cross-platform flexibility and teamwork, BandLab is the better choice. For solo creators focused on ease of use and deep integration with Apple hardware, GarageBand stands out. The trade-off is between collaborative convenience and native performance depending on your workflow and device preference. Choose BandLab if you want cloud collaboration, cross-device access, and a community-driven platform that keeps your music creation flexible and connected. GarageBand is your go-to if you're committed to Apple devices and want a seamless, powerful music creation experience offline. Both apps excel in their domains, so pick the one that best fits your workflow and hardware setup to unlock your creative potential.